Alright, I'm going to erase these walls here. Go back into the wall tool. Go back into our straight wall. This right here is important. This is our reference line, or our construction line. If I really zoom in and I start drawing a wall, notice I'm drawing from one edge of the wall. See here? Drawing from the bottom edge. If I go to this one here, you can see I'm drawing from the top edge. Or if I'd like, I can be at the center line here. But notice that is important, and that will become important later on when you're connecting walls and adding materials. We've got more options here for our walls. Here we've got a slanted wall. So you can see we can slant a wall, let's say, we'll slant this wall at 75 degrees. Draw it out. Go take a look at this wall in 3D. There's our wall slanted at 70 degrees. Over here we have a double slanted wall. So this is kind of tricky. You can see we've set angle 1 at 75 and the other one at 45. Draw this wall out. You can see it's almost like the wall ends up upside down, perhaps, than what we thought. And sort of the trick is to go beyond 90 degrees. Let's say make these both. Let's make this 135 and 155. Draw this wall out again. So you can see this, maybe this is going to give you the results you expected. Now if you wanted a flat place up at the top here, perhaps select the wall and add a width to the wall here, something larger, say 45 or something like that. And you can see all of a sudden we start getting a flat place up on top of the wall here. And these things here are just how the wall looks when it's cut. We've got some materials here, and this would be a great time to talk about materials. Kind of zoom in here. Let's go back and just do regular old straight wall with the width of 1 foot. Top is 10, bottom is 0, and this bottom construction line here. If I double click on the wall tool, if you double click on any of these tools here, it will get you into the settings. So double click. We're into the settings of the wall. And here's where you can see where the materials of the wall are being set. So you can see here we've got default walls exterior. Let's just make this really simple. We'll make this red. And notice, how do we know this is the exterior of the wall? Well, there's no real exterior in this case. What it is you can see the reference line here. So the side the reference line is on will be red. The edges of the walls, let's make those yellow, and we'll make the side opposite our construction line or our reference line here to be blue. Red, yellow, blue. Remember, red's on the side of the construction line here. So as I start drawing on my wall, notice the construction line's on the bottom. So we'll go to 3D, take a look, you can see our construction line side is red, the side opposite is blue. It's hard to tell, it's in the shadow there, and our middle there is yellow.